What comes into your mind when you hear the word Lakshadweep Islands? Snorkeling, scuba diving, or clean shiny beaches? But right now, this union territory is in news for entirely different reasons. In fact, hashtag Save Lakshadweep Islands is trending on Twitter for many days. Here is what happened. This is Praful Patel, a former BJP member and the current administrator of Lakshadweep Islands. He is said to be very close to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. Patel was appointed as the administrator of these islands in December 2020 और तब से लेकर अब तक बीफ बैन से लेकर गुंडा एक्ट तक काफी controversies देखी जा रही हैं. There are draft regulations that have witnessed vocal protests by many opposition leaders and local civilians. For example, Patel has introduced the Prevention of Anti-Social Activities Act, which is also known as the Gunda Act. This allows any person to be detained without any public disclosure for up to 1 year. But interestingly, these islands are said to have one of the lowest crime rates in India. Then we have the Draft Lakshadweep Development Authority regulation. Under this, any islander can be removed or relocated from their property for town planning activity. अगर land और personal liberty काफी नहीं थी, तो personal choices को लेकर भी नए regulations बनाए जा रहे हैं. The Lakshadweep Animal Preservation Regulation has been proposed. This intends to stop and ban the slaughter, transportation, selling or buying of beef products. Any violation may lead to imprisonment which can go up to 10 years and fine that can be up to 5 lakhs. At the same time, according to protesters, the administration has started lifting restrictions on alcohol in the Union Territory where liquor was largely unavailable or restricted. Beef ban and allowing alcohol have different context as well. Over 93% of population of Lakshadweep is Muslim and because of this, these regulations assume more significance. Government का कहना है कि इन रेगुलेशन से टूरिज्म को बढ़ावा मिलेगा, बट आपको नहीं लगता कि ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी है कि हम एक साइड पर बीफ बैन कर रहे हैं और दूसरे साइड पर अल्कोहल अलाउ कर रहे हैं? And then we have amendment to Lakshadweep Panchayat staff rules. According to this, anyone with more than 2 children will be ineligible to fight in Panchayat elections. Now the interesting part here is, as someone also pointed out on Twitter, Lakshadweep has total fertility rate of 1.4. तो इन regulations की जरूरत क्या थी? And finally, there is a controversy regarding the COVID protocol in these islands. This paradise was COVID-free in 2020. The first case was recorded in January this year. लेकिन तब से लेकर अब तक 6000 से ज्यादा कोविड केसेस इन आइलैंड्स पर रिकॉर्ड किया जा चुका है और इसके पीछे का रीजन प्रोटेस्टर्स बताते हैं प्रफुल्ल पटेल की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. वो इसलिए बिकॉज द आइलैंड हैड अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट कोविड-19 प्रोटोकॉल अंडर व्हिच एनीबॉडी एंटरिंग द आइलैंड हैड टू अंडरगो मैंडेटरी क्वारंटाइन. बट द न्यू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हैज अलाउड एंट्री टू एनीबॉडी हु इज हैविंग अ नेगेटिव RT-PCR रिपोर्ट. लेकिन उसी के बाद से शुरू हुआ कोविड-19 का सर्च. देयर इज अ मैसिव ऑनलाइन कैंपेन अगेंस्ट द न्यू regulations and policies of this administration. From opposition leaders to Malayalam movie stars like Prithviraj Sukumaran, Salim Kumar and Geetu Mohandas to ordinary students, people are raising their concerns online. The opposition leaders and elected leaders allege that these new restrictions and policy decisions were not even discussed with elected representatives and local groups. This part of India is rarely in news for political and controversial reasons. लेकिन देखना अब ये इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि क्या ये नई एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इन रेगुलेशंस को वापस लेगी या फिर ये प्रोटेस्ट अभी आगे और भी ज्यादा बढ़ेंगे. इस बारे में आपको क्या लगता है मुझे कमेंट करके बताएं. एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू ड्रॉप इन अ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू इंडिया टाइम्स.